According to a survey by the International Window Film Association, U.S. adults had these beliefs when they're inside a house. More than 2/3 of U.S. adults believe that sun won't damage their skin. Almost 70% say that their eyes are protected from the sun's UV rays. 82% said that they don't need to wear sunscreen when inside a house. While so many don't seem to worry about their own health when inside a house, more than 52% of adults are concerned about the sun fading their drapes, carpets, and home furnishings. Tisk, tisk. Yes, Mr. Sun is vital to our lives, but we need to treat it with respect. It's known that when solar radiation passes through a clear glass window, occupants are exposed to harmful UV radiation, which can cause skin-related issues, such as premature aging and even skin cancer. Whether it's a car window or a window in your home, we take precautions when outside in the sun or in a car. Protective clothing, hats, sunglasses, umbrellas, sunscreen. What you may not know is one should consider protection inside their homes and offices as well. We're not suggesting slathering on sunscreen while watching TV. It's not practical. And besides, it would make the remote greasy. What is practical is achieving this safe measure of protection by installing solar filtering window films. Let your customers know that they'll enjoy other benefits as well, like glare reduction, and they'll be protecting their interior furnishings, fabrics, and floor from fading. For more detailed information about Madico Sunscape window film properties, check the download content that accompanies this video.